Hey y'all, I'm sitting here just finishing up my prep for my Thanksgiving meal. You know, Thanksgiving is right around the corner, and I wanted to take you all along today with me and the great one as we go to shop for our Thanksgiving meal stuff, all our groceries that we need, and anything else we might need to pick up. In the meanwhile, sit back, get you a cup of coffee, and ride along with us to the commissary and the PX as we go get our Thanksgiving meal items. See you in a minute. So I've made my plans and I got them all written down so that I don't miss out on a thing. Okay, so let's go ahead and put my stuff in the car and make sure that everything else is there, like coolers and everything I need. Okay, so we are in the car and we're on the way, but you know we got one stop to make. And it was freezing outside this morning. We wanted Starbucks, but the line was way too long. A little ways down the road was a McDonald's, and that's where we got our breakfast.
All right. All right.
If you know anything about the military, you know we had to check in at the gate with our ID, and I love being an Army wife, even if he's retired.
Well, take care.
Thank you. So we have arrived, and it's time to get my shopping on. We're going to go to the exchange first and then to the commissary. We're here, and we're going to go in and see what we can find for the children for Christmas. Okay, they got me at the front door with the Bath and Body Works. We're in big trouble. So after they hit me with Bath and Body Works, I found the Philosophy display. I love Philosophy products. So I was looking at this skincare because, you know, a girl of my age needs something that's going to hydrate her skin this time of year. So I was looking and I did find something. So guess what? I got it. Oh, and I got a little perfume too. Now on to the girls' department. Oh, aren't these the cutest little dresses? Our girls like dresses. And I like to put them in cute dresses when we go to see the Nutcracker. That's a tradition in our family that the girls go to see the Nutcracker for Christmas. Oh, and then I ran into Coach. Oh. But I was good. I didn't get anything. It was cute, but I didn't get it. It's too expensive. In the meanwhile, Peepaw had found 2 pair of sneakers for Peyton. She's growing like a weed, so if we can find some shoes for her, that's fabulous. And the price was wonderful. I think we paid $3.97 for the shoes. Hello? Thank you, PX. A couple of things for Peyton and something for Ari, but I can't show the video what I got for Ari because what will she do? She'll be looking at this video. You know that, right? So let's move on. So the great one was looking for a shirt that he could wear for school colors day at his school. I dropped a few more items in the buggy. I needed a container for my flour and my sugar, ran into the Wilton section. And for those of you who don't know, I used to have a cake decorating business when we were in Panama and my children were small and there was nowhere I could get a birthday cake for them. So I had to learn how to decorate the cakes, and I did. Okay, let me check out before I get in big trouble and buy too much. It had warmed up a little bit by the time we came back out. Now it's time to go to the commissary. So that was the front door. Isn't the commissary the neatest grocery store you've ever seen? And it was crowded in there today. Yeah. Okay. Do you think you got enough rice? Okay, y'all, we have shopped until we dropped. I'm done. I'm closing my trunk. Tomatoes is in getting the rest of the groceries. You saw that I picked up some things for bacon for Thanksgiving and bacon for Christmas. And as soon as I get home, I'm going to share that, all of the fun stuff. Okay, y'all, so the great one is in there paying for the groceries. And as soon as he pops out, I'm going to pull up. We're going to load the groceries up and we're going to head back home. See y'all when we get home. Okay, y'all, we are back home. It was a really good trip. We had a good time. We had some retail therapy in the middle of all of that buying groceries. And I'm going to share with you some of the things that I bought for Thanksgiving and some things that I'll be doing for Christmas. So let me flip the camera around and we can get to looking. But before I go, let me tell you that I work with the best group of nurses in the entire world. I came home from my shopping trip feeling good, but then something was in the mail. And I want to share with you what my team sent me in the mail today. So I came home to this, and I was wondering, natural succulents? What in the world? But let me show you what it is. I opened my box, and this is what it is. So you actually get an unboxing with me today. Isn't Isn't that the sweetest thing? And it came with a nice little note from my team, Mission Possible, so you know who you are. Bath salts, some warm vanilla sugar, looks like a bar of soap. Yum. They know how I like a nice bath bomb with some yummy gummies in it. That's a good thing. And oh, this is a matchbox, and this is a candle. Isn't that the cutest thing? Let me see what flavor the candle is, if it says. Cinnamon and vanilla. Fabulous. See, don't I work with some sweet ladies? And they are good at what they do. So thank you to my team for remembering me for Bosses Day. That was a wonderful surprise. Thank you so much. I'm gonna thank you when I get to work on Monday too. Okay, let me start with what I got from the PX. I got more stuff than on the PX from the PX, but some things I can't show you right now because it's for some other people I know. This I wanted to try. This is a face wash and moisturizer from Purity, and then I needed something to put all of my flour and sugar in when I'm storing it, so that stuff won't get in it. And that's primarily what I got from the PX. I did get some other stuff, like I said, but I can't share that yet. We'll share that at a later date. Got some collard greens. They were 89 cents a bunch. Hello, where they do that at? And some green apples. Now the collard greens are going to be cooked for Thanksgiving. I'm gonna do a short video on that. Green apples, we're gonna do an apple crisp, and some onions. You know, we all need onions. Sweet potatoes, because I'm going to do a sweet potato. It's like a souffle, but not. It's really good sweet potatoes, okay, for Thanksgiving. And then I have celery here because I need that for my potato salad, and some pimentos for my potato salad. Couldn't find my regular pimentos, so I had to settle for those. Some potatoes, because you know we don't normally keep them in the house. I try to be as keto friendly as I can, and potatoes is not keto friendly. Calrose rice is not either, but my husband loves that rice, and we like to get it at least once a year and that lasts us for a very long time. Then I got a couple of types of flour. I got bread flour, and I got some cake flour over here because I'm going to make bread and I'm going to make cake, okay? Some more yeast, because you know I need that. And then I'm going to do our hot chocolate bar that we like to do every year. So I gotta have this stuff, you know. Got some oysters, because I actually had to stop by Kroger because, you know, I was a little perturbed when they had run out of turkeys at the commissary. What? Where did they do that at? What's wrong with this government? Anyway, I'm just joking. Don't get all wadded up. A new measuring cup because I needed one, and then I needed some actual bags so that I could do some of the decorating I'm going to do for the holiday season. Some chopped pecans for my pumpkin cake I'm going to do for you all in a few minutes, sometime today. Then I have dates. Enough dates for me, enough dates for Maxine, enough dates for everybody. But I'm going to make a hermit cake, and y'all will see that too. And that's where I needed the dates. Then I got some condiments, because I need this mayonnaise and Miracle Whip for my potato salad. Stuff for my stuffing, and some sugar, light brown, dark brown, and some powdered sugar. Then I have some seasonings, some cream of tartar, some nutmeg, some pumpkin pie spice, a little bit of almond extract, 2 things of vanilla because the price is fabulous over there, and some red because you know who's going to make a red velvet cake for Christmas. Some pet milk. I got a little bit of caviar because that's what we like to do. Some smoked oysters, And then I have some chicken noodle soup, but I got some other soup. Don't know where it went. I got my cream of mushroom and cream of chicken soup for my turkey tetrazzini for Good Black Friday. Then here's my cake flour and my oats, because that's going to go on my apple crisp, and then in some children's bellies in the morning. Some eggnog, my husband's creamer, butter. You know, we had to have plenty of butter and plenty of cream cheese. Some smoked turkey wings. We're going to do some actual work on some greens. That's going to go in my greens. Some eggs, Mr. Frozen Tom turkey, and some cheeses. Cheese for my, macaroni and cheese. And I forgot my Baker's Joy, because that's what I'm going to be spraying in my pan. And I think that's all that we're dealing with. The rest of the stuff, everyday stuff, I put away. But we did not spend any more than, I think that the cost was maybe $150. So I like going to the commissariato. That's what I call it. But it's the commissary, and I do enjoy going, and that's one of the benefits that we have for having served our country, and I want to say us having served with him. So that's the haul. So I hope that you enjoyed this. I'm going to put down in the description, I will put all of the things that I have coming up, the videos that I have coming up, that I'm going to cook some of this stuff so that you can see how I cooked it. Because I'm going to try to show you how I do this old school homemaking and cooking with a new school twist. So stay with me, stay for the ride. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed and you would like to subscribe, it's free. Go ahead and hit that button. Also hit that bell so you can know if you're already subscribed. Hit the notification bell so you can know when I have been diligent and put up a new video. So I'm looking forward to talking to you a couple of times this week, because I'm going to make some stuff. And you'll see me on the video quite frequently this week, because I'm going to be busy. Have a good week. Be blessed, and I'll see you later. Bye.